The science of resting meat.
Resting meat after cooking is a key step recommended by chefs and food scientists alike. This simple pause before slicing your steak, chicken, or roast is not just tradition, it's backed by kitchen science. Resting helps preserve juiciness and flavor, making every bite more delicious. But what's really happening inside the meat during this crucial waiting period?
The role of heat in meat juices.
When meat cooks, its juices are forced toward the center by heat. This process tightens the proteins in the outer layers, squeezing out moisture. If you cut into meat immediately after cooking, those flavorful juices quickly escape, often leaving the meat drier than desired. Resting gives the juices time to redistribute evenly throughout.
How resting redistributes juices.
During resting, temperatures inside the meat begin to even out. The muscle fibers relax as the heat dissipates, and the proteins reabsorb some of the liquid. This means less juice is lost when slicing, and the meat retains more moisture and tenderness. Even a brief rest can significantly improve the eating experience.
Flavor matters, not just juiciness.
Resting doesn't only prevent dryness, it amplifies flavor. As the juices settle and redistribute, they carry dissolved proteins, fats, and seasoning back through the meat. This process allows flavors to meld, leading to a richer, more uniform taste with every bite, enhancing both texture and savoriness.
How long should meat rest?
The ideal resting time depends on the cut and size of meat. A small steak may need just 5 minutes, while large roasts benefit from 15 to 30 minutes of rest. Tenting loosely with foil helps retain heat while preventing sogginess. Plan for this short wait. It's a simple step with a big impact on flavor and juiciness.